Today I'm going to show you my multi-million dollar Ascension funnel that starts with a lower priced front-end product and then leads all the way up to upsells and then of course our higher ticket services and phone calls. I'm going to walk you through step by step this entire funnel, and this is a follow-up to a previous video I did where I showed my $10 million marketing funnel that I put together. Now that's a separate funnel. If you want to watch that, I'll put a card up here somewhere in the video, a link down in the description if you want to watch that other video, my $10 million funnel. But this is another funnel that we run. It's an Ascension funnel that takes people from a front-end product to some one-time offers, and I'll show you exactly how all that works. And then it leads to a phone call, a product that specifically is designed to get a phone call that then leads to a high-ticket call where we're enrolling people into our full programs and services. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how this works. So let's hop over to my computer and take a closer look. So now I'm going to walk you through my entire multiple million-dollar Ascension funnel that starts with a $47 product, our YouTube Ads Masterclass, has multiple upsells, and I'll walk you through what those look like, how we put them together, and then of course leads to people booking strategy calls on the back end. And so I'm going to walk you through step by step how this process works. And so as you can see here, we have our initial landing page. Now we've done a lot of split tests on this, and what this really is this is a masterclass. This is a 3-hour long training walking people through the entire YouTube ad strategy that we've used to help generate over $200 million in revenue for our clients, scale to 8 figures ourselves. It's our overall strategy, and I actually provide a lot of value in this masterclass and in some of the one-time offers that we offer along the way. But my goal is not just to sell this masterclass, it's to get high-paying clients to enroll in our full high-ticket offers, depending on what it is they're looking for in our multiple $1,000 offers that are going to help them actually implement this hands-on. And so our goal is, as people go through this, they're going to consume the content, they're going to see the value, they're going to love it. We're going to provide a lot of value to a lot of people, and then certain people want to book a strategy call with our team, and then we can help them hands-on. And so that's the point of this Ascension funnel, is to start small and then to guide them into becoming a higher end client if it's a good fit for them. Now, as you can see here, we've got a little mini details on the YouTube Ads Masterclass right at the top, and this actually is a top bar that scrolls as you scroll through. Now, I think we used Clickfunnels Pro Tools, CF Pro Tools, for that, which is a collection of different tools that you can use within Clickfunnels. But as you can see here, we have this little image with the YouTube Ads Masterclass, the flash sale, down from 97, it's $47. Now this is a sale that we have consistently running, but the way that we do this is we have it consistently at that $47 price point. So we don't make people have to pay a higher price point. We're not playing around with that type of stuff. What we want to do though is have it be consistently at that $47, but at one point it was 97. So we have brought it down to that flash sale price point, and we just keep that going ongoing. And so as you can see here, what we have here is how to leverage YouTube video ads to scale your business to 7 or 8+ figures. Got my name and details, got a picture of me on the right-hand side. You can see that we did spend a lot of time putting together a really good landing page here. Now this learn more is actually gonna lead them, if they click this, down here to the bundle details, and then they can of course click buy now at the top or at that bundle page at any time. Now as you scroll through, you're gonna see that we put a lot of details into each step. So you can see here, new YouTube Advertising Masterclass, first time ever we're pulling this back. By the way, I'll put the link down below in the description so that you can see the masterclass for yourself. You can go through the funnel yourself if you want. Also, of course, if you get the masterclass, you'll learn the YouTube ad strategies, but you can actually take a look at this landing page yourself. I'll put that at the top of the description. So what we immediately go into is the proof is in our client success. So first $100,000 a month, we've got a mod here. We've got Jonathan Kirshner talking about 10x return, 100K with 10K of ad spend, 3x ROAS on an e-commerce product, $97 local real estate leads, $115,000 revenue in 2 months. David Emmons doing 3x ROI. And you notice that we have a variety of different people, right? We've got different types of people. We've got diversity in the people as well. Also different types of businesses, consultant, business coach, e-commerce, real estate, consultant, course creator, right? Different people within here. Then more client results. So all these 5-star reviews, people in the industry, people who have given us good ratings, different ROAS, cutting costs. As you can see, even more people. Then additional results down here, YouTube ad screenshots. So people can kind of go through these, take a look at them, and really just showcasing that we have gotten a wide variety of results with these strategies so that as people are scrolling, they can really see, wow, there's been a lot of success, a lot of results that we've gotten for our clients here. Then we have our testimonial supercut, and this is actually a collection of a variety of our client testimonials all back to back in one video. So let's say if somebody wants to watch this video, they're gonna see a variety of our testimonials all back to back. They're gonna see themselves in the people that are giving their testimonials. So, it's a variety of different businesses, different people, diversity of people, so they can see all of that within that video. Then we've got some of the different podcasts I've been featured on, news articles, and then we really get into the actual side of things where we dive into what this is all about. So are these results for real? You bet. Here's how it works. And then we talk about why Facebook ads runs into problems, right? You get banned on Facebook ads. There's all these challenges. Facebook ads is a red ocean. YouTube is a blue ocean, right? And then we get into the details, the problems with Facebook ads, and then the benefits of YouTube, how it works, why YouTube ads are the best. Again, you can click the link to read all the details. I love this, by the way. You can see here, YouTube ads are the new blue ocean. We put a big blue ocean across the screen. There's a lot of fun things we put into this funnel. We really went all out. And it's not just myself. I've got an incredible funnel designer on our team that helped put this together specifically. And you can see here, this is a great example of this. I just love how this turned out. Then you can see here, YouTube ad is the key ad platform in 2021 and beyond. Actually, that's a good note. Dive in and update that to 2022. So that's when you have a long form landing page, you want to make sure that you're always, updating those types of things. So actually, that's a good point for us to update. And you can see here, cheaper ad costs on YouTube, learners mindset. So all of the benefits. YouTube ads are a blue ocean. And then you can scroll down into the 3 key reasons that YouTube ads are the best. So you can see here, this is what everybody's gonna get, our 3-hour YouTube ads masterclass, 7 to 8 figure YouTube ad strategy, crafting a winning YouTube ad script, our 3D targeting, bullseye optimization system, omnipresent retargeting, exponential growth, roadmap to scale your business to 7 to 8 figures using YouTube ads, and then all of the different things that they're gonna get. And then introducing our YouTube advertising masterclass, how to build a 7 to 8 figure business using YouTube video ads, was $97, now $47, $876 value, easily actually worth more than that. But you can see here, $97, get it for $47 today, click the link, and then all of the details on what they're gonna get on the inside. And then if they keep scrolling, they're gonna get some additional details, biggest names in marketing talking about us. They're gonna see some of our stats, what we have done in our own business. We've got a lifetime money back guarantee on this particular masterclass, and then question and answer. So we added frequently asked questions at the bottom. You want to add, after you put in the product itself, some of these frequently asked questions, guarantees, different things, just in case they have a final objection before they're ready to hit that buy now button. And so as you can see, at the very bottom, we have get access. They can also click it right here at the top. So we have this scrolling with them. So at any point when they're ready, they can click buy now, or they can click this big button. And then that will bring them to this page. So as you can see, this page loads up over here, and we've actually split tested this page. It works really well. This is a page that I actually put together, and we had our funnel designer create a whole fancy, version of this page. Believe it or not, this outperformed it. We thought it was a fluke. We kept testing it, and this page kept converting better. And so if we take a look, at this page here, and we're going to blur some of these, details and information, you can see that it talks about, has a flash sale, talks about the YouTube Ads Masterclass. People click step 2, and then what they're able to do is they see all the benefits that they're gonna get. They see a little screen grab of all the things we're gonna cover, and then we invite them, in addition to the $47, to buy this order bump. And this order bump is, yes, I want the YouTube Ads training bundle, get 7 additional YouTube Ads and omnipresent retargeting trainings, and it dives into all the different names of the trainings. Click this button, and it adds $39. Now, we did a bunch of split testing, the price point of that, the copy around that, how it works. We have actually gotten it so over 70% of people, that's a real number, over 70% of people take that $39 upsell. So over 70% of people, instead of paying $47, they do $86. And it also tells us a lot about the person, because if you're buying a $47 training and you don't want to add another $39 to get 7 more trainings that dive deeper, then we're not sure how serious that person is. So we can actually spend more time reaching out to people that buy that order bump. But that $39 order bump, 70% of people take us up on that, and they pay $86 for that. It's really powerful. And then they click complete order. Now, once they complete the order, the next step is it's the first one-time offer. So it says, wait, would you like to add our YouTube Ads Ready Offer training series? The YouTube Ads Ready Offer training series is our irresistible high-ticket offer that's designed to convert on YouTube. So we actually have a way that they can craft a high-ticket offer for their YouTube ads, or a course-based offer for their YouTube ads. This is a training that usually is just for our clients. It's different than our masterclass. So again, you got to be careful with your one-time offers. You don't want to say, hey, now that you bought this, buy this other thing that they thought they were buying in the beginning. You want to add something extra. So this is a great thing extra to add. And you can see here, it's got all these details. It's got a special bonus, the 7-figure advertiser's DNA mindset training. And then also another little testimonial of somebody who specifically used this training. The YouTube Ads Ready offer made $115,000 in 2.5 months by Donna. So she literally just made a 2-minute video based on this training, and she made $115,000. So they're like, oh, this is $297. This person made $115,000. It's going to help you craft a high-ticket offer. So you can confidently charge $3,000 to $15,000 for a high-ticket offer. Just $297. They can go ahead and buy that. Now, if they choose no, which is all the way at the bottom of the page, then what we do is we say special pricing, 3 times monthly payments of $99. So we want to, get people into that, and we just break it up evenly. 3 payments of $99. They only see this if they don't first take us up on that $297. So then they're going to go ahead and get this, so they can choose 3 times $99. So then they get into that payment plan. Then after that, regardless of which one they choose, we get to the next step. Wait, one more thing. And you can see here, would you like to add the irresistible YouTube ad script training, right? And so this is actually walking them through step-by-step how to craft an irresistible YouTube ad script, walking them through all of it and adding, multiple example YouTube ads that are performing really well for us right here at the bottom of this as well. Some success stories, and they can add this for $497. So our irresistible YouTube ad script. And then we have a one-time offer downsell for 3 payments of $197. And then from there, once they do that, we have our virtual live event recordings. So our 7-figure YouTube ads live event, you can see the details here. We actually did a full live event recording where we walk through everything that works here, and we're selling that for $297, or same thing, downsell of 3 times $99. And so this is the last thing that we do. We sell this event recording for our full event. And then from there, we take them to this confirmation page where it shows them the details of their order. It gives them the ability to reach out to us if they need any help, and then gets them access and invites them to book a complimentary YouTube ads strategy call. And so you can see here all of the details that we have right here in this masterclass. And this funnel itself, if we go back to this main page, this entire funnel that we have here, this YouTube ads masterclass funnel, has generated us multiple millions of dollars, not from the 47 alone, but from the people that buy 47, that buy the additional upsells, and then we get them on, give them great results. They go through our masterclass, then they book a complimentary strategy call where we walk them through exactly how they can use these YouTube ads to scale their business to the next level. We hop on a call with them. We say, hey, we'd love to help you with this. Anybody who buys the masterclass, we call them up and say, hey, were you able to get access? Do you have any questions? Can we get you any access to more trainings? And then invite them onto a strategy call where we hop on with them, see if YouTube ads are a good fit for them, map out a strategy on that call as well, and then invite them to become a full client if it is a good fit for them. And so this funnel that we put together has generated us multiple millions of dollars in our business, and that's exactly how it works. Hopefully you found this video valuable on my entire Ascension funnel, taking people from that front-end product, those one-time offers, and then leading them into that higher ticket phone call or sales call where you can enroll them into your full programs and services. Now, I actually recommend starting with a different type of funnel, either a webinar or a VSL. And if you want to see my entire $10 million webinar funnel, you can click the link up here in a card or down in the description. And I have a whole nother video walking you through exactly how my $10 million webinar funnel works. I do recommend starting there before going into an Ascension funnel. Now, if you found this video valuable, please like the video, share it with a friend. Let me know in the comments down below what your best funnel is, or what some other funnel strategies that you have are. Are you using an Ascension funnel? Let me know down below. Now, if you want to see our own Ascension funnel, which is our $47 YouTube ads masterclass, I'll post a link right there at the top of the description so you can go through that yourself. You can see exactly how we're utilizing it, and Also learn how to use YouTube ads, because every great funnel needs ads to send people to that funnel, and we found YouTube ads work far better than every other platform. So not only can you see how it works, you can also learn a thing or two about the YouTube ad side of things, which you can apply to your business. Now, I'll also post a link down below to a free trial of Clickfunnels if you haven't used it already, and other resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification icon so you never miss another video. We're gonna continue to provide you with deep value just like this, and also make sure to like the video and share it with a friend. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.